Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Courtney Golden with the Flex Financial Trading Group. Hope everybody's having a good week so far. Just checking in with you real quick. This week is a huge week in the stock market, so I thought I'd do a quick video. And the reason it's a huge week in the market is because it's all about earnings this week. So a lot of big name companies are sharing their earnings announcements and how they did for the quarter and how they did for the year. And earnings announcements is all about companies sharing their sales for the year, their growth for the year, or their losses for the year, any new innovations, any new products or services that the company's coming out with. A lot of times they like to share that with the public and share that with investors. And this is a real important event for companies because a lot of times they can attract new investors to the company. And a lot of times companies that are looking to grow, that's what they want to do, attract more and more investors and also keep their current investors around by sharing good news in these earnings. But one of the things about earnings, there's a lot of information shared in earnings announcements, and people that are new to the market and people that are currently in the market can get very confused by all that information that's shared within earnings. So one thing I wanted to share, just a quick tip that I like to share with our members and with people that are new to the market. One of the most important things you can focus on with earnings announcements is the revenue. So you want to understand what kind of money did the company bring in during that quarter or during that year in terms of business operations and sales. What did they bring into the company? That's the revenues. So there's the top line revenue. What overall did they bring into the company? And then you have your bottom line revenue. What was left over after all the expenses were paid out to keep the business functioning and running properly? What's left over? So those are the two numbers you want to focus on. Top line revenue, what did the company make? How much sales did the company bring in? And then your bottom line revenue, what was left over after business expenses. So keep it simple. Don't get overwhelmed by all the information. Definitely, if you're new to the market, get plugged in on earnings announcements. Start to just read about them and start to get used to the terminology and the different things different information that's shared within earnings. But keep it very simple and just focus on your top line, bottom line revenues. If you're focusing on that and you're seeing consistent performance and strong performance and top line revenue growth, bottom line revenue growth for companies, a lot of times that's going to be, in most cases, is going to be reflected in the stock prices. And you're going to see those stock prices go higher and higher over time. Companies that show strong revenue growth and give out consistent performances year after year, quarter after quarter. So that's my tip to you. Keep things simple. Focus on the revenue. Focus on the money. Where the money goes, those stock prices will go higher and higher because investors are going to buy that stock and push those stocks higher and higher. So with that being said, for those of you that are new to the market, or if you're currently in the market and you feel like you could use a little bit of guidance and you want to find a program to learn some more and find a way to make consistent profits, bring in consistent income in the market, you're looking to learn options trading and start to create passive income by collecting dividends, we have the program for you to teach you how to do it. One of the best programs out there in the market, in my opinion. But trust me, I'm not biased in any way. But I put our program against anybody else's program to get you, in terms of getting you consistent results and getting you where you want to be financially. We have a program to do that. So check us out at flexfinancialtg.com. Again, that's flexfinancialtg.com. You can send us an email right there on the site, or feel free to send us a quick DM if you have any questions. We're always happy to jump on a call and answer your questions over the phone as well. So we hope to hear from you. Good luck. Tune into those earnings this week. And good luck in your trading, and we'll see you at FlexU. Peace.